Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel.
Welcome to the Taranker tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you through installing the FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz app for your Shopify store using Taranker.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this AI-powered app fully integrated into your store to enhance customer engagement and provide skin analysis insights. Let's get started. Step 1. Search for Taranker first. Open your browser and go to Taranker.com. Click on Shopify apps, then use the search bar to find FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz. Step 2. Install the app. Once you've found the app listing, click on it to open the details page. Click the Install App button, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Once installed, the app will be available in your Shopify dashboard under Apps. Step 3. Build your quiz. Open FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz in your Shopify Apps section. Navigate to Build a Quiz. Choose Skin Profile, then click Use Template. Customize your quiz with 3 question templates. Choose from 3 powerful question templates to tailor the quiz experience and better understand your customers' unique skincare needs. 1. Skincare Preferences. Gain insight into your customers' personal skincare routines, product preferences, and lifestyle habits. This helps you deliver more accurate, personalized product recommendations based on how they like to care for their skin. 2. Skin Profile. Gather essential information such as skin type, oily, dry, combination, sensitive, daily routines, and product sensitivities. With this profile, you can suggest products that align perfectly with their skin's characteristics. 3. Skin Concerns. Help your customers identify their biggest skincare challenges, whether it's acne, wrinkles, dark spots, or dullness. By understanding their concerns and goals, you can recommend targeted solutions that truly address their needs. Click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Customize your quiz. Adjust the quiz to suit your business needs and branding. If you want to add another section, click Add Section. Once you're satisfied, click Save and move on to the next step. Step 5. Connect recommended products. Click Choose Product. Select Manual, then pick the products you want to recommend to customers. Step 6. Finalize Settings. Fill in all required information for the quiz. Click Save. Important: make sure to turn on App Embed to ensure the FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz appears on your store's page. Step 7. Complete the setup. Click Done. Click Confirm. That's it. Your FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz is now live and ready to engage your customers. Step 8. Test Run. Go to your Shopify online store. Locate the FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on it. The quiz will pop up and begin by asking your customers a few questions about their skin. After that, they'll be prompted to either take a photo or upload an image of their skin. This allows the app to scan and analyze their skin condition. Once the analysis is complete, the quiz will provide personalized insights such as wrinkle levels, eye bags, pore size, and more. For a deeper look, customers can click on My Skin Report in the top right corner. And the best part? Customers can click on Get Recommended Products, which will take them directly to your store's products that match their unique skin needs. The FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz app is a powerful tool for beauty and skincare Shopify merchants looking to boost customer engagement and drive sales. By offering AI-powered skin analysis, the app provides personalized skincare recommendations, helping customers find the perfect products for their needs. This interactive experience builds trust, increases conversion rates, and enhances the overall shopping experience. Additionally, the seamless integration with Shopify allows you to customize quizzes, link recommended products, and optimize marketing strategies, all while improving customer satisfaction and retention. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up FaceAge AI Skin Analysis Quiz on your Shopify store using Taranker.com. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.